Hey folks, Steve Butler here. Just walking into the garage. We bought this place 2 years ago, so it's a little different than the garage you're used to seeing in season 1 of the show. So let me just come on in here. It's comprised of 2 floors, and as soon as you walk in here, you can see my reminder. I need to be hit over the head to remember these things, so I write them down so I can see it. My little to-do list for the shop. This is kind of like an entrance hall. Used to be a kitchen. Got some wood stored there. It's more of my wood turning area now. These aren't my works. These are a collection of some friends' works. And yeah, that's it. It's a little choppy, but it works. It's all about woodworking and enjoying the craft that is woodworking. And it's about the projects we do. Here's one of the most important areas, the office. Before that, I've got my little MIDI lathe tucked in here. And so it's a nice little cubby there. I'm not putting the lights on because you get some flickering in the camera of the video. It's a little distracting, so we'll just keep them off, and we've got the natural light coming in through the window. So let's go into the office. There we go. I've got my little seating area beside here. Some pictures for inspiration. You name it. I'm very fortunate. We are right on a riverbank, so I have a nice view of the river outside. I can hear the birds sing and see some of the critters come around. And that's it. Here's the other end of the office. Most important area. This used to be a shower, but it's now where the dog sleeps when he accompanies me here in the office. I am Canadian. No office would be complete without a framed catalog, or not a catalog, what do you call them, program from the 1950s Toronto Maple Leaf. Here's the library where you do all your best thinking. And that's it. So let me take you down the hall. Let's leave the office. This is the furnace room. Just had to replace the furnace. It's a little dark in here. I'm not going to turn the lights on like I said. So got the wall of clamps. You can never have too many clamps, and that's very, very true. A friend of mine works at the post office, and when they were issuing the Elvis collection of stamps, well, they had this poster. He just thought, I'd like to borrow it. Got some band posters up here. You can hear their music throughout the episode of the show. The Real Gone, the Red Penny, Hot Rod Walt, and the Cycle DeVille's. And through this door is a little bench room, a small little woodworking room. In season 1, I was using the old Delta table saw. Well, there it is. We've got that light coming through the window. I apologize. But yeah, it's just a nice little shop room. And some collection of hand planes on the wall. Some I've made, some old ones. Nice view of the river through the windows. And the cabinet's full of things up there. All right. Let's head upstairs. Like I said, it's a little choppy. We make it work. And it's about the projects. I can't wait to share season 2 with you. We are starting to shoot very soon. We have 1 episode under our belt. We just have to do a few more. And then we'll have a package ready for distribution for PBS and Create TV. But as they're done, I will put them on the website and the YouTube page. So, here we are at the top of the stairs, and this is the space. You know, if you watch the episodes, I'm always behind this bench, introducing the projects, introducing myself in the show, and that is it. So that's where I work mostly, that big bench. And my box of hand tools. the new bench I just made. If you follow the Facebook page, you saw that. So we did that bench. And a little thinking chair. We have cabinets full of hand tools. You know, this is where I keep most of my hand planes, other than the ones downstairs. So this is the upstairs, and everything I make has to fit up the stairs. All right. Thanks again. Thanks for the little joining me for this little impromptu tour. I hope you stay well, be safe, be creative, and I'll see you back here in the garage.